Welcome back to Code with Office. Today we are not just learning Django DRF, we are building a real-world mini blog application using ModelViewSets. We will create blog, comment, and author models and connect them using relationships. Finally, we will return a single blog with all its comments in the same API response, just like Medium development. By the end of this lecture, you will understand how real APIs work in professional backend development. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. On this channel, you will get complete end-to-end DRF series, fast API series with advanced and real-world APIs development practice. So let's start today. To create a blog app, we have to create an app, Python manage.py. The app name is start app. The app name is blog app. So we created blog app. Inside this we have models.py, views.py. I am going to create two new files here. The one is urls.py and other one is urls.py, and next one will be serializers.py. So I just created two files inside our blog app, serializer.py and urls.py. So first of all, I will go to models.py, and we need three classes: the author, blog, and comment. The author class will be for blog writer, and the blog class will handle the blog post, and the comment class will handle on all the comments for each blog. So from Django.db import models, I will create a class author and models.model. After that, it will be name models.char field. Max length will be equal to 10, let's say 100, and the email will be models.email field. The max length will be equal to, here we use the unique, not the max length. Email should be unique. And after that, define _str _ and pass the self here. Return self.name. Then we need another class. This will be blog, and from models.model and title equal to models.char field. The max length will be 200 for the title of the blog. And then we have field content and models.text field. The content will be greater, not the small text, and the author will be models.foreign key, and here author, and I will provide on_delete equal to models.cascade. So if the model will delete, then the block related with this author. If the author will delete, then the block with related this author will also be deleted and created This will be created at model dot models dot date time field, and this will be auto now at equal to true. And after that we have to define underscore str underscore, and we will pass here self, and this will return self.title. Let me close this. Close this one as well. So we just created two classes, one for author, one for blog, and we need one more class comment, and from model, and here blog, and models dot foreign key, and we will pass the blog onDelete equal to models dot cascade, and we will provide here the related name for this will be comments, and for this the related name equal to the blogs, comments and blogs. After that we have one more field for the comment text. This will models dot text field, and commented at models dot time field, and it will take auto now at equal to true. Then def underscore str underscore, and we will pass here self, and this will return, let's say, comment on, and this will be self dot blog dot title. Just this, and we have to close this with the double quote, and this will be our f string, and inside f string you have to close the variable value inside curly braces. Commented on this. So author, let me explain why I write this R code. Author has many blogs, and this will be one to many. One author have many blogs, and this should be one to many, and blog has many comment. One blog has many comment. This should also one to many relationship. And related names help us to access reverse relations like blog.comments.all. So that's why we provide here related name, the blogs and comments. Now it's time to write some serializer code. From REST underscore framework dot import serializers, and then from dot models import blog, comment and author. Class comment serializer, here I will provide class meta, and this will model equal to comment, and fields here will be a list id, then text, then we need text in response, and then commented at. So once serializer done, then we want class blog serializers, then here it should be comments, the related name is comments, and I will provide comment serializer here, class meta here, model equal to blog, and fields I want in response what type of field, id, then title, and then content, and then we want to pass author, then created at comments, and in this we have to pass some for many equal to true and read only equal to true for nested things. After that we have to create another serializer for class author serializer, and then blogs equal to blog serializer, many equal to 2, and related equal to read underscore only equal to true, and then the class meta will be class meta. The model we have the author, and then fields will be id, then name, email, and then we want the blocks. Don't worry, I will clear each and everything for you. Just focus to complete the code first, then we will understand each and everything, each part of code. So here you see this is nested serializer, and nested serializer allow us to return blog plus all related comments in a single response. No extra queries from frontend needed to get the comment related with that very block. So after that we have to write some views.py. So inside views.py I want to clear this from REST underscore framework import viewsets from dot models. I want to import blog, comment, and author. From dot serializer import blog serializer, author serializer, and comment serializer. So class blog view set from view sets dot model view set query set will be equal to blob dot objects dot all, then serializer class equal to blog serializer, then class, then we have auth view sets dot model view set, then query set equal to author dot objects dot all, then we have serializer class equal to author serializer, and then class comment viewsets dot from model viewset query set equal to comment dot objects dot all, and then serializer class will be equal to comment serializer. The model view set basically gives CRUD automatically. The CRUD, inside CRUD we have create, read, update and delete. The model view set gives CRUD automatically to get the blogs data in as a list, how many blogs, and then we'll create, retrieve, update, delete all in one in just one class. So then it's time for urls.py. From Django .urls import path, then include. After that, from REST framework dot routers import default router, and then from .views import blog view set, then comment view set, and then auth view set. Let me check again. This will be not the auth, this will be author, and here I will update this author view set. Okay, after that the router equal to router, then router dot register. First one is blogs and blog view set, then router dot register. Here we will register comments, and this will be comment view set. After that, router dot register, here we will put authors, and here author view set. The URL patrons equal to here, and inside this list we will pass path, then include. Inside include we will pass router dot URLs. Save the code, and we write all the code for our app. We write the serializer, we write the views, we write the models, and then we have to update our project to add our app. Settings.py. Inside settings.py we have to pass our app name blog app. Our app name is blog app, so we pass inside apps list our app blog app. After adding the app in settings.py, we have to update our project urls.py for our app. Here I will pass path, and I want that when someone visit the page, then blogs.urls. Our app name is blog app.urls. So save this. So we create just models.py. We have to run some commands. Python manage.py make migrations. I'm getting some errors, so we have to check here. Max_length max here max_length. Please make sure the spelling should be correct. Max_length 100 200. Okay, if I run again this, make migrations run successfully, then we have to run Python manage.py migrate. After that, Python manage.py run server. Now our server is running okay. On this you have two options to open this: follow link or copy this and paste in browser. As you see, when I paste in browser, I am getting this output. So blogs, comments, authors. So if I click on blogs, I am getting 0 blogs here with HTTP 200. So we have to write some blogs, title, content and author. The title should be Django REST Framework Basics, and the content will be like this dummy. In this blog we will learn how to build APIs using Django, and the author will be, we have no author here, so first we have to create some author. So if we open this and localhost, and if we go for author, we have authors, and here we will create some author. Name will be, let's say, Kashif, and kashif@gmail.com. Post this, our author is created. This author has 0 blogs. So if I here refresh this, I am getting 1 author. So the title is this one, and the content is this, and the author is this one. Okay, update this. So if you see this, we have 1 author and 1 blog. Let me click again, and 0 comments still here. So if I go again localhost, we have to go for here and click on comments. We have no comment any. The comment section is empty for each blog, and we have 1 author, and we have 1 blog with author 1. Let me just create another author, the same, and this will be mudassir@gmail.com, mudassir@gmail.com. First we have two author, so if I refresh this, inside this you will see we are two author, Mudassir and Kashif. Let me register all these models inside our admin.py to show in our admin panel. Admin.register site, admin.site.register, site.register. We have from dot models import blog, then author, then comment, and we have to register each one by one. Blog, then admin.site.register author, then admin.site.register the comment. So if I go back to my admin.panel, here if I refresh this, I am getting some error due to this. This is site, not citer. So if I click on add comment here, I am getting the blog and let's say first comment, and save this. And if I refresh this, I am getting one comment with ID 1, and if I refresh this, here we have not found any blog here. If I refresh this again, but here inside comment section, if I click on add, we have blog option and text for on which blog we want to comment. So to handle this, we'll come to serializer. So here we have to pass blog equal to serializers dot primary key field, and we have to pass query set equal to blog dot objects dot on, and here I will pass what blog, and if I save now and if I refresh this, you will see I am getting the blog. So first comment here, if I want to update this and if I clear this, now I am getting the blog. So here I am going to add another blog. So I just update the title and content, and I want this author will be Mudassir for this. So update this. So we have blog 1 and we updated all the content. So in this way you will update the blog, and if you want to delete, just click on this, and if you want to add more blogs, that time you will definitely add some content here. Now I will try to add one more blog. Here the content will be this and the title is this, and the author is Kashif for this. So add this, one more blog added, and if I have two blogs. One blog have comment and one blog have no comment till now. So if I click on author, continue, author with this email already exists. If I have the authors Kashif and Mudassir, and if I click on comment list, we have two blogs. So I want to add some first comment on, let me copy this, let me on ORM post. ORM block. So just post this. So if I click on get, I am getting 2 comments in my DB, and if I click on author list, you will see we have 2, and if I click on this, blog 1 and blog 1 have the comment 2, first comment on this ORM. And if you want to comment on this how to deploy, so here I will come how to deploy first comment on render post. If I click on this, we have 3 overall comments, and if I refresh this, so first comment on of render. So in this way your application will work. We cover in this lecture the serializer part, how to get the comment related with blog, and so this is overall about how your blog app will work. We have 3 serializer: comment serializer, blog serializer, and auth serializer. And first we define models. Let me open the models.py. First of all, we define a models here, then we register it, and then we create a serializer for our model to use in our views.py here. So this is from my end. If any doubt till now, please comment it. I am here to clear your doubts. Let me quickly revise all this code of serializer. On first line, from REST_framework import serializer. The serializer from DRF help us to convert models into JSON and also validate incoming data. Then we have from .models import blog, comment, author. So let me side by side open the models.py to show you. From this class, from this file models.py, inside our app, the app name is blog app. From our app, we are importing from .models import blog, comment, and author, blog, and comment. After that, comment serializer. This class model serializer from serializer.model serializer. The model serializer automatically creates a serializer based on a model. So we have block, the field we have block, and blog equal to serializer.primary key related field qreset equal to blog.objects.all. So basically this means when someone adds, this line means when someone adds a comments, they need to provide the ID of the blog it to belong. So that's why we create this field. And then we have a class meta, and inside this class meta we have model, and the model name is comment, which we have this here comment. So we define the model is equal to comment, which model this serializer is for. So this line will tells which class this serializer will be. So and then we have fields equal to blog, ID, text, and commented art. These are the fields we want it in the API: blog, ID, text, commented art. So this is how we create or show comments in our API. Then we have blog serializer, class blog serializer. Here on this line, comments equal to comment serializer, many equal to true, read only equal to true. So this is called a nested serializer. It will show all comments related to this block. And many equal to true, a block can have many comments, and read only equal to true. You cannot create comments from here. It's just for showing comments. So that's why I apply read only equal to true. So after that we have class meta for the model blog, and then we have fields ID, title, content, author, created at, and comments. Overall, this block serializer shows the block and all its comments. After that, we have serializer author serializer. So in this line, block serializer man equal to true, read only equal to true. Nested again, it will show all blocks written by this author and fields ID, name, email, and blocks. And this serializer is is written for the author. So this serializer shows the author and all blocks written by them.